Hello students, this is my 8th lecture of class 11 chemistry chapter periodic classification of elements. Now today we will learn Newton's law of octave. That is the second part. This concept states that after every 8 elements along the period, they bear the same chemical and physical properties with the order of their increasing atomic mass. Means हमारा एक एलिमेंट से जब हम काउंट करेंगे 8, फर्स्ट एलिमेंट से 8 एलिमेंट तक, फिर इसके बाद में अनदर 8 एलिमेंट्स अलोंग द पीरियड, हमारा केमिकल और फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज विल बी द सेम, वो एक ही होगा, सिमिलर होगा. चलो हम लोग शुरू करते हैं आज वो लिथियम के बारे में. लिथियम एल्केली मेटल से, ठीक है ना. लिथियम को ले लेंगे, अब काउंट करेंगे लिथियम से 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. चलो सोडियम को करें राउंड कर. Then counting from sodium 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 potassium. ठीक है. Now if you analyze today of modern periodic table or the Mendeleev, it falls in the same line. See here, lithium, sodium and potassium. They have got a gap of 8 elements. And after 8 elements, they will show the same chemical and physical property. That's why we have got alkali. This is called alkali. Alkali metals. Right? And they bear similar chemical and physical properties. And if you go from the top to the bottom, increasing order of the atomic mass means their atomic mass will be increasing down the group. Similar way, suppose you take barium. Now counting start from barium 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Magnesium. Okay. Now when you compare this magnesium, and let's start from magnesium 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now this will be calcium. See here, after 8 elements, when we see in the S block of the second group, this will be the first group, first S group, second group of the S block. They will have the similar chemical and physical properties with the increasing order of the atomic mass. Means if the atomic mass will be increasing down the group, and they will show or demonstrate सेम प्रॉपर्टी, वो सेम प्रॉपर्टी दिखाएगा. ऐसे करके वो बोरॉन का काउंट कर लीजिए. फिर ऐसा कार्बन, लेट्स से अबाउट बोरॉन, लेट्स से अबाउट द बोरॉन 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now aluminium, we know that aluminium and boron bearing the same chemical and physical property. And you can look, this is the 13th group periodic table, and I have mentioned here group 13 p block elements. Now I'll start from the carbon. After 8th element, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now carbon and silicon, I know they are bearing the same chemical and physical properties. You can see from here carbon and silicon, 8 difference. Now when I'll start from the nitrogen, you can go along the period and counting 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and phosphorus and counting, because they have the same chemical और उन लोगों का properties और chemical और physical properties दोनों का same होता है. And when you go top to bottom of the group, you will have atomic mass increasing. Now let's comes to oxygen. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Sulfur. So oxygen and sulfur, which is falling on the group 16, they will have the same property. Now first and second group is nothing but the S block element, and they are going to have the first group and second group. Now when you go from here, this will be 13, group 13 P block element, group 14 P block element, group 15 P block element, group 16 P block element. Now we'll come to fluorine. If I start from the fluorine, let's say I'll start with the fluorine. If I take fluorine, and I'll count from there 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Yes, fluorine, chlorine, they are forming halogen compound, and they are falling in which group they are falling? See it here. Yes, 18 group, and they belongs to the p block element. So in this way, Newlands has tried to state what he has found about the classification of elements in his periodic proposal of with the increasing order of their mass. मतलब जैसा mass बढ़ेगा आफ्टर एथ एलिमेंट के बाद में वो केमिकल और फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज भी वही शो करेगा और उसका फ्रॉम टॉप टू डाउन इफ यू गो 8 डिफरेंस मिल रहा है. देखो यहाँ पर 6, 14, 7, 15 8 डिफरेंस मिल रहा है एलिमेंट. दे विल डिपिक्ट द सेम केमिकल एंड फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज. एंड Newton's law applied only up to 3, only calcium. This calcium is atomic number is 20, right? But apart from this, if we proceed further, 21, 22, 23 atomic number, it failed. So at least he has given the idea that the chemical and physical properties of the elements will be similar with the increasing order of their atomic mass. And this is a repetitive. That's why we call it a periodic element is a function of their atomic mass. I hope you understood. Please try to copy it, pause it, so that we can proceed to the next lecture. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are new invitee. And those who are subscribe my channel, please continue to ring the bell icon and like my channel. And please pause it and copy the notes, because this is what I found. Very simple way of explaining to my student. If you have any doubts, please go to the comment box and write for me so that I can rectify in the next time. Thank you. Till then, goodbye.